Hello dear student, I welcome you all in highway engineering subject and subject code is 1615504. Today we are going to see unit number 4, that is construction of road pavement and material. In construction of road pavement and material, this is lecture number 1. My name is Daniel Swami. I am lecturer of Civil Department, GEMS Polytechnic College, Aurangabad, Bihar. Let us discuss about the content of the lecture. Today we will see in construction of road pavement and material, we will see classification or type of road. In that we will talk about based on material. Let us discuss this topic in detail. Before all, we should know how the soil condition is there, what is soil. So before all, we should know soil. What is soil? Soil is defined as sediments or other consolidated accumulation of solid particle, physical and chemical disintegration of rock which may not be contain organic matter. This means that soil will not contain any organic matter and it is obtained by physical or chemical disintegration of rock, and by disintegration it will be the rocks will form as soil. Function of soil. While construction of pavement, the main function of soil is to provide good drainage, to provide stability to road pavement, to provide adequate support to pavement, to act as an integral part of road pavement. These are the four major function of soil while construction of pavement. Different types of soil. Let us talk about different type of soil. As we know, there are different type of soil like clay, black cotton soil and silt. Let us see in detail what is clay. Clay, it is contained of alumina mixed with silica and other material derived from weathering of rock. Any soil, any type of soil will be formed by, or it can be derived by weathering of rock only. So clay is content of alumina mixed with silica and other material derived from weathering. In clay there will be amount of alumina and it will be mixed with silica. So clay is used for manufacturing of cement, clay is used for manufacturing of bricks. By clay we can manufacture many things. So clay, because it contain alumina and mixture of silica. Let us see black cotton soil. It is a composite soil formed by continuous weathering of rock for long period. It contains of 40 to 50% of clay and 4 to 8% of humus. Means in black cotton soil 40 to 50% black cotton soil contains clay, whereas 4 to 8% it contains humus. Humus is nothing but dead animal or dead plant which will disintegrate and mix with soil and form and become soil, that is humus. So it is called as black cotton soil. It is blackish or bluish blackish in color. Silt. Silt, it is a waste carried mud content, clay, sand or peat, etc. Silt is nothing but it is a waste carried mud containing clay or sand or peat, etc. Classification or type of road based on material. Here are some different types of road. It is based on material. Let us see, that is earthen road, gravel road, moram road, conker road, WBM road, bituminous road, concrete road. WBM road is known as waterborne macadam road. Let us discuss this topic in detail. First of all, this image shows it is earthen road. As you can see in this image, it is muddy road. ये जो रोड दिख रहा है ये है अर्थन रोड। जिस तरह से हम गांव में देख सकते हैं ट्रैक्टर चलने से या मतलब कोई गाड़ी चलने से जो रास्ता बन जाता है उसको हम मडी रोड कहते हैं और इंग्लिश में अर्थन रोड कहते हैं। अर्थन रोड आर लेड विथ सॉइल, दे आर चीप देन ऑल टाइप ऑफ रोड। दिस टाइप ऑफ रोड इज प्रोवाइडेड फॉर fewer traffic area or countryside area. A good drainage system should be provided which relieve excellent performance for more extended period. This earthen road, it is used for traffic area and it is also used in countryside area in rural areas for taking their vehicles from one place to another or taking the vehicles to the field, like the vehicles like tractor, trucks. And this earthen road is the cheapest road than all other road, and this road should be provided with good drainage. If we provide good drainage, it will go for long time and this road will be maintained and the performance of this road will be very excellent. So it is called as earthen road. Second one is gravel road. As you can see in this image, and the word gravel means coarse aggregate road. Gravel road are also low quality road, but they are used better when compared with earthen road. A compacted mixture of gravel and earth is used as pavement material in this case. जिस तरह से आप इस इमेज को देख सकते हो ये है ग्रेवल रोड। ये ग्रेवल रोड में क्या होता है कि गिट्टी और मट्टी को मिक्स करके और जब इसको ले किया जाता है, रोड बनाया जाता है, तो ये भी रोड जो है ये मतलब पक्का रोड नहीं है, ये भी लो क्वालिटी रोड है, लेकिन कंपेयर टू अर्थन रोड इट इज़ मोर बेटर एंड दिस रोड विल हैव the life performing age will be more than earthen road. And for protecting this gravel road we should give camber in the center so the water on the road will be drained off, and this road can be used in village area or for traffic clearance. And compacted material is gravel and earth used for laying this road. Next is Moram road. As you can see in this image, the Moram is laid on the road for the traveling. Moram is a matter obtained from the disintegration of igneous rock by weathering agency. This is used to make road called Moram road. This Moram road is obtained from disintegration of igneous rock by weathering agency, and Moram can be found or got by crushing of stone also. That red stone when we crush we can get the powdered debris as Moram, and we can lay the road road by that Moram, and it will be useful for rural areas and for traffic clearance also. So it is called as Moram road, and the color will be reddish color as you can see in this image. Next is Kankar road. Kankar is an impure form of limestone. Kankar road are provided where lime is available in reasonable quantity. The Kankar road are low quality and performance. As we can see this image, This image contains of conker, and conker is nothing but small pebbles which are laid on the surface of earth for laying of road. और जब ये कंकर को डाल दिया जाता है तो ये रोड जो है यूज़फुल आ जाता है ट्रैफिक क्लियरेंस के लिए, या मतलब गांव से एक दूसरा गांव जाने के लिए। जब ट्रैक्टर लोड है कुछ मटेरियल से, इंग्रेडिएंट से, तो ये कंकर रोड बहुत फेवरेबल रहता है एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पहुंचाने के लिए, या खेत से आपको मार्केट तक पहुंचाने के लिए, आपको मेन रोड तक पहुंचाने के लिए ये कंकर रोड यूज़ आता है। कंकर इज नथिंग बट इम्प्योरिटी फॉर्म ऑफ लाइमस्टोन। जहाँ लाइमस्टोन एक्सेस अमाउंट पे पाया जाता है वहाँ कंकर रोड हम बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि जो लाइमस्टोन रहेगा वो पकड़ के रखेगा, और इसमें बीच में अगर कैम्बर देते हैं तो जो रेन वाटर इस पे गिरेगा वो आसानी से ड्रेन हो जाएगा, और ये जो रोड का लाइफ स्पैन रहेगा वो ज़्यादा रहेगा। वेयर एज इफ़ वी आर नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग कैम्बर और स्लोप in the road, so it will be affected by weathering condition, and this is conker road. Next is WBM road. WBM road is also called as waterborne macadam road. Waterborne macadam road contain crushed stone aggregate in its base course. The aggregate are spread on a surface and rolled after sprinkling water. WBM road provide better performance compared to earthen, gravel and moram and conker roads. WBM road are laid as a layer of about 10 cm thick of each layer. They are very rough and they may be disintegrate immediately under traffic. ये जो WBM रोड है उसको हम वाटरबॉर्न मैकेडम रोड भी बोलते हैं। और WBM रोड में क्या होता है कि जो स्टोन पेबल्स होता है वो उसको क्रश करके और उसको बिछा दिया जाता है और पानी छिड़काव करके उसको कॉम्पैक्ट कर दिया जाता है। ठीक है, उसके बाद ये क्या करता है कि जब हम इस पर रोलर चला देते हैं तो वो बैठ जाता है। वो सरफेस में बैठ जाने के बाद अगर कंपेयर करते हैं मोरम रोड से या ग्रेवल रोड से या अर्थन रोड से या कंकर रोड से, ये जो WBM का परफॉर्मेंस है वो बहुत अच्छा है कंपेयर टू दिस अर्थन, ग्रेवल एंड मोरम एंड कंकर रोड। और इसका जो लेयर रहता है 10 सेंटीमीटर थिक रहता है, और इसका लेयर जो है वो रफ रहता है, और ये बनाने के बाद तुरंत ट्रैफिक के लिए यूज़ आ सकता है। उसी को हम लोग कहते हैं WBM रोड, दैट इज वाटरबॉर्न मैकेडम रोड। नेक्स्ट इज बिटुमिनस रोड। As you can see in this image, this shows that bituminous road is laid now. Bituminous road are prevailing road around the world. They are the most used road in the world. This road type are low in cost and suitable for driving condition. The thickness of bitumen road depends upon the subgrade soil condition. बिटुमन रोड जो होता है उसका थिकनेस, रोड का थिकनेस, बिटुमिनस का थिकनेस जो होता है वो बेस्ड रहता है सबग्रेड के अनुसार से। एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस रोड इज यूज्ड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड एंड दिस इज मोर पॉपुलर रोड इन द वर्ल्ड। एंड बिटुमन रोड जो है वो हर जगह यूज़ होने वाला रोड है, और ये बिटुमन रोड है जो अगर कंपेयर करेंगे कंक्रीटिंग रोड से या और कोई रोड से, तो ये इसका जो कंस्ट्रक्शन का कॉस्ट है, द कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस बिटुमन रोड विल बी लेस कंपेयर टू अदर, एंड इट विल प्रोवाइड सेफ्टी टू ड्राइवर एंड Vehicle driver also feel comfortable while driving in bitumen road. So this road is more popular all over the world and it is used mostly around the world. As you can see in this image, the laying of bitumen road. Next is concrete road. As we know, what is concrete? Concrete is a mixture of ingredient like sand, cement, coarse aggregate. Coarse aggregate is coarse aggregate we can call as gravel and fine aggregate we can call as sand. Cement concrete is used to construct the pavement. In case of concrete road, they are very popular and costlier than all other type of road. They are not flexible, so they are require less maintenance. Concrete road are suitable for high traffic area. They are laid with joint and time of construction is more. In concrete road, as last slide as we have seen, bituminous road is ready in 24 hours for the traffic, whereas concrete road, if we are laying concrete road, it will take time at least for 21 days for traffic purpose. And concrete road is laid where huge traffic area is there, huge load of vehicle will be on road, so concrete road is laid. In concrete road there will be expansion joint, because in the time of summer and in the time of winter, in summer season concrete road will expand, whereas in winter concrete road will contract. So we are giving joints between the concrete road. But concrete road, if we see in construction, it is the costlier than all other road, whereas if you see all other road, they are cheaper in cost, but this concrete road is more costlier than all other road. But this concrete road is also very popular for carrying high density of traffic on it, and the subgrade of this concrete road should be strong enough, and in concrete road we should provide proper camber so that drainage of rainwater should be good. And if the drainage of rainwater is good, then the lifespan of concrete road will be more compared to all other roads. If there is no proper slope provided in concrete road, then it will cause damage to road, as well as the maintenance cost of this concrete road will be much more higher than compared to other bitumen road or other roads. And this road takes 21 days of time for traffic to run the traffic on concrete road, whereas bitumen road, if we compare to concrete road, bitumen road needs 24 hours for traffic clearance on its own pavement. So if we are constructing concrete road, we should go with correct proportion ratio of cement, sand and aggregate, so that the bonding between and interlocking between the material will be good, and because of this the road condition of concrete road will be good, and the age of concrete road will be longer if we give proper curing to concrete road. Summary of this topic is all about the quality of any pavement is affected by material used for construction. If the material is not in good condition, it will affect the pavement. So if we are using good material, the pavement condition will be good and it will go for longer time. Coming to the subgrade soil, it is the most important material. If the subgrade soil of the road is not good, the road will get settled down, or road will get broken, and the maintenance cost will be much more higher. So if the subgrade of every road is good, the road life will be more compared to, if we think about, suppose if we think concrete road life is 10 years, and if the subgrade and slope providing is proper, then the life will be more than 10 years. It will go for 30-40 years. Reference I have referred from online source, S.K. Kannan book and Ritu publication book. Thank you for listening this lecture.